What's up, guys? It's your boy Mark. I'm back with another video. In this video, I'm going over different market patterns that you can look for that will help you get in for a trade, buy or sell. Some of the things that I look for. But if you're new to this channel, make sure you go ahead and subscribe. Also click that notification bell so you can be the first to know once I upload videos on how you can make some daily cash. Alright guys, so here we are. Of course, my favorite pair, GBP USD. This is the pair that I use when I'm holding trades. Alright, but my fast making pair is NAS 100. But let me delete this markup. Well, I'm gonna leave it right here because that's for the week. Alright, I'm gonna leave that. But what we're finna do, guys, is look for patterns. Alright, look for patterns. And I'm gonna break down every pattern that I know of, all right, and see if it can help you in the long run. Okay, so it's not gonna be perfect every time, but I know what to look for. All right, so here we go. This one right here is a reverse head and shoulders. Okay, a reverse head and shoulders. So shoulder, head, all right, shoulder, and then sometimes it's gonna be weird, but I know a reverse head and shoulder should go up. I'm gonna see if I can find a perfect one for you guys, but that's most definitely a reverse head and shoulders. Let me see if I can make it better where you can see it. Let's see. So let's start right here. A shoulder right here, a head right here, and then a shoulder right here. Like I say, it's not gonna be perfect every time, but you just have to have the eye for it. All right. So let's look for W's. All right. This is a small W right here, but as you can see, price still went up. All right, I grabbed the wrong thing. All right, small W, but look at this. Boom, price came up. All right, so W's are for buys, and reverse head and shoulders are also for buys. All right, let me delete this off my screen. Let's see why I want to delete y'all. Let me see. Okay, there we go. All right, let's go to the higher time frame. All right, you'll see them better on a higher time frame anyway. And it's not as confusing as a smaller time frame. All right, so GBP USD on a 4-hour chart. All right, so let's zoom out and let's hit this auto. Okay, so M's. All right, look at this. M, sell. You don't want to sell here. All right, which it could be a good entry, but you just want to wait till the whole thing form, because how do you know this gonna form an M? This could just be like a little retrace and it could go up. But as you can see, you wait for it to form, get in right here. All right, at the top of the last leg, and it drop. All right, we're not saying it's gonna drop forever, but if it forms an M, you most definitely can catch a quick sell. So from here to here, look at that. That's crazy, y'all. 206 pips off of that move right here. All right. Now reverse head and shoulders. Here we go. This is a better one right here. All right. You got the shoulder, you got the head, you got the shoulder, and then it shot up. All right. So shoulder, head, shoulder, reverse head and shoulders. Okay. Let me move this over here. Let's see if we can find some more. All right, move this out the way as well. Put that like right here. All right, and let's keep going. All right, all right. W's. Here go a W. Right here. Clear as day. Boom. You want to get in right here. catch the buy. Let's see how many pips this was if you was to caught this last leg. Oh my goodness. 266 pips. Alright, so if you would have caught this last leg right here, 257 pips just off of you being patient and letting the pattern form, okay? The pattern has to form. Alright, so that's a W. I showed you a W, a reverse head and shoulders, a M. Alright, now let's keep going. Let's see if I can show you the rest of the patterns that I know of. Alright. Okay, now I'm going to try to find a better one, but let's see if this could be considered. Let me move this right quick, y'all. Hold on one second. Let me move this up right quick. Alright, here we go. So, triple bottom. 1, 2, 3. Alright, and then it shot up. Well, it didn't shoot up that far. Hold on, y'all. It shot up this far. So, triple bottom. 1, 2, 3. And it came up to here. So, how many pips is it if you would have gotten in here and rolled this up? Look at that. 241 pips off of one leg. Alright, one leg. Okay, triple bottom. That's also an indication for a buy. Triple bottoms for a buy. Reverse head and shoulders is for a buy. And W's are for a buy. Alright. Now the sells is the M's. And we got to get into the rest of them. Alright. So this is an M right here. Just to show you another one that you could have gotten in for a sell. Wait to the last leg. Boom. Caught that. Okay. Now, what's another indication for a sell? Let me see. I want to show you, and I want to be very, very transparent. All right, because this is what I look for when I'm trading. All right, it's indications. So here is a regular head and shoulders. Like I say, it's not going to be perfect every time, but you have to have the eye for it. So shoulder, head, shoulder, and then as you see, it dropped. All right. Most people want it to just drop straight down, but as you know, price sometimes goes sideways. It don't always go straight down, but this is still considered a head and shoulders. All right, and it still dropped. So if you would have caught it up here, you always want to catch the head and shoulders at the top of the head. You can also catch it at the shoulder. You can catch it here or here. All right. But from here to here, it's 521 pips, y'all. 521 pips. So you got the M's is for sales. Head and shoulders is for sales. All right. We also finna look for a triple top. All right. A triple top is the next thing we're going to look for. All right. Triple top, triple top, triple top. And you can find these on every pair, y'all. So let me go to another pair and see if it's on. Let's go to USD CAD. All right. USD CAD is also a pair that I like to trade. As you can see, we caught some good pips the other day with it. Marked it up. All right, and it went my way. And I do send these signals out to the group. I have to get back to them. Lately, I've been trading nothing but NAS 100 indices. All right, so here we go. Perfect, a triple top right here. Perfect, 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 perfect. All right. Also, indication for a sell. 1 top, 2 top, 3 top, drop. All right. So if you would have caught this from here to here, 320 pips. All right, just off of looking for patterns. Not even with the indicators. You can do this without indicators. All right, you can do this without indicators. You can literally use your own eyes, mark up the charts with your own eyes, guys. And I have a video on how to mark up charts without indicators. I will put it here. You can go check it out. But M's, triple tops, head and shoulders are the main ones I look for a sell. W's, reverse head and shoulders, and triple bottoms are the ones I look for a buy. All right. Another small triple top right here. As you see, 1, 2, 3, and it dropped. All right. And it dropped every time. All right. Sometimes it's not, like I said, it's not going to be perfect. It's not going to be perfect. It's just not going to be perfect. It's not going to be a perfect W. It's not going to be a perfect M. It's not going to be a perfect triple top, but you just have to have the eye for it. All right. Another thing that you can do is grab you a trend line. All right. 1, 2. If you don't know how to draw a trend line, I always do 1, 2 going through. All right. I don't put it too tight because price don't always, stay with this side of trend line, or it could literally come out this trend line to test the area and come back down. That's why I use pivot points. But when it's in a trend like this, boom, you see how it came up, drop, came up, drop. This also will let you know how long to hold a trade. As soon as it break out, all right, here you go right here with the same thing, and it dropped right back down. So you can just use all of your tools to help you know where price is going. Don't make it complicated. Like, just look for those patterns. If you're having trouble getting in or getting out of a trade, look for them patterns. They are everywhere. Look at this. M. All right. Another M. Drop. Head and shoulders. Shoulder, head, shoulder, drop. All right. Just look for them. Look at this. M. Drop. That's how you do it. And you always want to get in, all right, on the last leg of every pattern you look for. This M right here, get in here. Not here, because you see it dropping. You see it came right back up, but you want to get in here. So not here. And draw X right here. All right. W's. Let's find a W. So let me zoom in. Right here. Boom. W. Came up. You will want to get in here. Not here, because you see it going up. Put an X on that. Alright, that's a terrible X, y'all. But don't get in the middle. Just know that. W, boom, boom. Wait till it come back and test this level right here. And then get in. Alright, and don't hold it all day. Catch them pips and get out. Alright, catch them pips and get out. So, here with the triple top. With the triple top, you can probably enter 3 times. I ain't even gonna lie, I do that sometimes. But to be safe, you always want to enter here at the top. You always want to enter on the last leg. All right. So hopefully this video was helpful to you. If it was, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Look for these patterns. Subscribe to my channel. Other than that,